Hey guys, how's it going? Slam and Slabs back here, and I'm doing a voiceover because my mic on my big camera was not working. But here I'm just ranting about how we got some tip up set up, and we're gonna be jigging in the shack, and then we're gonna be fishing for my ice team, and we had a 1 day tournament. So I'm just ranting about who knows what. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the videos. So thanks for listening to me talk.
Welcome to Slam and Slabs Outdoors.
Got him. Bluegill. Bluegill.
The radio slave hanging out with you, and of course, if you haven't followed us on the internet machine, we're asking that you do that, right? We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, we're on Threads, YouTube, so make sure you follow us and follow your old spouse.
Oh, come
Get
here.
arrested again. Coming up from Lincoln Park, for Tony out in East Bethel, plus we'll do Skid Row for Aaron at work in Plymouth.
Bluegill. Okay, maybe not. No, it's a little bit bigger. Oh yeah. That's a nice kill. Oh.
A new year means new menu items at Chipotle. Kick off 2026 with new high-protein menu. Everybody wants more protein in their
Stop.
diet. Chipotle is here to help make that happen. Get the protein powder with flavorless cardboard.
That's a nice kill.
I went big and got the double high protein burrito. It's loaded with adobo chicken. I love
It's an 8¼ inch gill.
Wish my friends were in much better shape than we probably
That's
are.
nice.
Check out the new high protein menu in the Chipotle app or Chipotle.com and try a high protein item today. Shady time.
Oh.
I'm hearing every day from homeowners who are stuck. It's the holiday season. The housing market is as frozen as the weather, and nobody knows when the thaw's coming or if it's coming at all. You know what I'm talking about.
Crappie. Oh. Got him. Finally. Oh. Don't piss on me. Another probably 7-inch gill. Yeah. Jeez. Whoa. I don't know what the heck it was happening. I was watching it on live scope, but I didn't know what was happening. And your rod was damn near in the water. That's a nice one.
I think I got your line.
Oh, you do have my line. Wow, he got that quick. Oh, I got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Wait. There you go.
This little bugger came in, smoked Dad and smoked me. Whew. Throw him back. No flags though. It stinks. Really? Jeez, buddy. Really big deal. I think you might get hit, Dad. They're like right on you. Don't come off. Stay glued. Yes. Not a bad crappie. Actually, this is pretty decent. Could be a lot bigger, but probably 11. Oh, no. 10 and a half. Oh, mouth closed, not even 10. 10-inch. More crappie like that, though, would make a good meal. Oh, he's gonna hit me. This is nice, whatever it is. Maybe not. Feels a little heavier. Oh yeah, a little heavier.
Can you owe $10,000 or more to the IRS like Dana? When I retired, I just got all my taxes piled up. I had gotten many threats.
So pretty. They're all about that, I'd say probably 8.
7.5, 8.
Yeah. Oh, that. Right on the verge of being like big. Flag where? Stop spinning.
Oh, there's still a flag.
She ain't spinning, but we got a flag.
No, I changed it out here. He said there was, if you read it, it said there was 15 inches, which I, maybe where he went.
Oh, yep, I'd take it right now. Got him?
Yep.
Sweet.
Come on.
Stay glued. Stay glued. Stay glued. Holy crap. Oh my god. That's a nice bass. That's probably a good, 3-4 pounder, I bet.
Yeah, I don't
Good
know.
margin.
Hold on, I got
You got stuff.
in my.
Let's go, boys. That is a nice bass. Come on. Easy. Alrighty. I'll pick you guys up in a second here when we get this guy released. See you later. Oh yeah, he went. Alright, cool. So, he just got gut hooked, didn't he? Yeah, was it just so, he just swallowed it good. But, he went, so we'll pick you guys back up in the shack where it's a little bit warmer. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we were jigging in the shack and we've had some tip-up action, but right now I am going to pick up Jackson, Buddy Jackson. Gonna go pick him up and then grab some other, and then we're gonna come back to the lake and we're gonna continue to fish. But right now I'm gonna go pick up Jackson, some food and stuff, and then I'll probably pick you guys up when Jackson gets in the truck and I go pick him up. So we'll see you later. Big walleye guy here.
Yeah.
Big walleye guy. All right, so I told you guys I'd pick you up when Jackson got here. So here's Jackson, the 30-inch walleye slayer.
Oh yeah.
But right now we're gonna get some McDonald's and then I'll pick you guys up once we get back to the lake. So see you later. Out of school again. They're being super finicky. You lost him. Woo!
I dragged the tools.
Uh-huh. That's what it is.
Yeah. Oh jeez. Smoked.
Got him. You already know, boy. This one feels decent. Come on. Boy. Oh no. What you know about them, what you know about them big ol' bluegills, eh? There's no shot. This is a 9. Not even an 8. As big as that last one. God. Or the one we turned in. Well, that one was 8 3/4, so we tossed him back. Like I said, we need 9 or bigger. And throughout the day, that's just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger, so it's gonna be less and less fish to turn in, because there's gonna be that one person that turns in like a freaking, they're gonna find like a 11-inch bluegill, and then everything that we have is just gonna be garbage, so. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's a slimy guy, eh? Oh. Throw her on the old bump board just because. Measure everything. 8. Too small. See you later. Alright. We got my aqua view down right now. Get some underwater footage, but it's super murky, so I don't really know how good it's gonna be. But they're just coming in waves and they're kind of finicky, and then you get the one that isn't, and then it's just like, you know, I don't know. But you know how it goes. Oh, that guy's back. Same guy from yesterday's back. Well, he's not gonna be able to go in his damn spot.
Where was it?
Right over by us.
Hope I run over your tank.
He better not. Hopefully he sees everything. Hope he doesn't run over anything. Ice is cracking like crazy though. Ooh. Dude!
They're close.
Holy sh! How? Oh my gosh, man! How close do you need to be? We kind of left him a spot, but good Gandhi, man. You might as well just hit it at that point. Give me $300 cash and hit it. I don't accept Venmo.
Cash.
Cash only, baby. Earlier today, I dropped a pair of pliers down, and I think I see them, so that's good. So hopefully we can get them back. I'm wetty. I'm ready to set that hook like Clayton Shake, boy. One of these are gonna hit me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got him. Stay glued, buddy. Stay glued. Stay buttoned. Stay buttoned. Absolute slew tiger. Absolute hogs. Hogs only, baby. It's a little 6-incher. Little 6-inch.
Euchre.
Huh.
You spooked him!
No, he's still there. What do you mean? He's still there.
Come back to bite.
You're gonna get him. You're about to clap him, dude. What the hell you mean? What do you mean?
He was gonna bite, and then it was.
Hey, pay attention. Oh, look who lost a fish. Ooh, look who can't catch a dang fish. Alright, come on. Oh, he's got you. Oh, you got him. Yes, sir.
Stay buttoned.
Stay buttoned, buddy. Stay glued. Stay glued. Dink. Damn. Alright. I can finish getting my pants on. Alright, boys. We got a big school. But they're being super weird. They're just so finicky right now, but we got a bunch of them down there right now. Oh, crappie. What the heck? Oh. Oh, couldn't even grab him, dude. A little crap. But there's a lot down there. They just come in waves. It's so weird. And it's just everything, like It's not like schools of panfish or perch or crappies. It's just everything. Got him. Got him. Oh, this one. You're doing more crappie. What the heck? Oh, Jackson, he got both of us.
I was about to say, what the?
Oh, yeah, baby. This little bugger got both of us. Alright, you should be good. Oh, yeah, you're good. Alright. He really tried getting both of us. Well, he did, but. Little turd. Get back down there. Can't believe the crappie are coming back in. But once my dad gets back, well, he should be here soon. But once he gets here,
Oh, flag.
oh, we actually?
Yep.
Seriously?
Yep.
On what?
Pinnacle cooler.
Oh, let's go. All right. Well, I guess we got a flag. Oh yeah. I saw that rod twitch. But once my dad gets back, we're gonna go hole hop. But maybe we won't. Maybe it'll pick up here. I did see that rod twitch. Huh?
So did I.
Think he's on there? Might have heard us come over and just spooked now, but if we didn't drop it. It's probably a bass, I bet.
Probably.
Or it could be a perch. Catch like a 16-inch perch. Oh,
yeah.
oh yeah, he's there, take it. Oh yeah, he's there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Doesn't feel big.
No, probably not. Can't even tell what it is yet.
Big head shakes.
Yeah, it's probably a bass. I bet you it's a bass.
Yeah.
He took out a lot of line. My goodness. Oh, kind of pike-ish. Oh no, it's a good bass. Really, 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 really. Come here. Gosh. Struggle fest. My goodness. All right. Bass got to be what, 14?
Yeah.
Ain't no way that's 14. Is it worth?
Rip.
Is it worth checking? What do you need?
Steel hook. Like a thing you poke the hook with.
No, but
You choked her.
I got pliers. So, boys, look at the truck. Looking so good. Even though it's really dirty, but that bass absolutely choked that thing. So, we'll grab these and then, yeah, I don't know. What else does he need? I guess I'll grab bump board. Don't really need to, but we'll bump him. I think bass got to be 14, so yeah, let's hope. Maybe it's 14. I doubt it. It's probably right on the edge of just being too small. But throw her on the old bump board. See what she is. Nah. I mean, it's over, but
Barely.
barely. Do we really want to register that?
I don't know how many bass it caught.
We might want to. It's over 14, so we could probably register him. Go throw him in the bucket. But I gotta. These are all I got. So I'll pick you guys up when we get this guy ready to release. Absolute struggle fest here, boys. She choked her real good, so I don't know. We're definitely gonna register him, but we might. Are we able to keep him?
I don't know.
I don't know what the size is here. We might have to if we can't get him, but we'll definitely register him. Shoot, she's definitely cooked, boys. But yeah, struggle fest here. Looks like we're probably gonna be keeping her because we could not get that hook out. She just absolutely swallowed it. So we're gonna register him for sure, and then we're just gonna have to keep him. But it's over 14, so throw in the bucket. Yeah, we'll
Rip.
keep him. Rip, bro. Rip, dude. Jackson's down a hook, but that's all right, I guess. So pick you guys up later. We're doing the old truck fishing, eh? I got two nice. Let's go there. Got him. Got him. In the old truck. In the old truck. Oh, are you kidding me? That is not what you want to see. Dude, he's got something messed up with him. Well, I hooked him real good. Dude, we don't have a bucket if we catch anything good, by the way.
Mm-mm.
Sweet. Crappie in the truck. Down the hole. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Holy shnikes. Oh my gosh. They're so aggressive. They're so aggressive. Here's another one. This one feels decent. Oh no, it's just a freaking gill. Oh yeah. You already know. Gill. Back down. Dude, I need to drill a hole way farther away. Yeah, these are not big. I think these are big. It's the third one though. I can't sit like that. Just absolutely no room. No wiggle jiggle room. Can you see yourself?
Yeah. Okay. There's a good mark over by you.
I'm trying to get down there. If I didn't get stuck on every chunk of ice on the fucking thing. Alright, so we tried that spot there for, I don't know, probably like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes maybe. And Jackson can't catch a damn fish, so there's literally 10 fish down there swarming Jackson. He couldn't catch a single one.
No.
So we're gonna go move to where the rest of our team is, and they've been doing really good down here on the south end of the lake, so hopefully we can pick up on the fish with them. So I'll pick you guys up when we're there and kind of set up. Alright everyone, so as you saw, actually wait, I don't think I was even recording. I caught a 10-inch perch. Yeah, 10-inch perch. I'll pop up a picture right now of that 10-inch perch that I got. Of course, you know, I went to go to register it, and hey, tell them to be nice.
Be nice, Cooper.
I went to go register it, and of course it's 10.5, but 10 was, you know, of course it's under, but I had that, and that was the only fish we caught since we were over there. But we're moving spots again, so I'll pick you guys up when we are moved to the next spot. So see you later. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So whoa, copyright. Jeez. Okay. So we went and checked out Cooper, and Cooper was, of course, not catching much. It's kind of been slow once the sun went away. It got kind of slow, but hopefully it picks back up here, and we'll try not to run these guys' tip-ups over. But we're heading back to the core, and then we're probably gonna figure out some sort of game plan, because we still don't really have a game plan. We're kind of just driving around at this point, but I'll pick you guys up when we're back at the core.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys. Well, I told you I'd pick you guys up when we're back in the shack, but it's about 3 hours later from when I told you I would pick you guys up. We've been sitting here just in the shack jigging. We've caught a lot of bluegills and a lot of crappie, just nothing, nothing too big. Nothing really worth turning the camera on for, but yeah, I'll pick you guys up if we actually get on something pretty decent. So, see you later. Just an absolute tanker out here today, boys. Little niner going back. Oh, maybe not. See you later.
Making fun of me for missing 5 fish in a row, and here he goes missing 10 fish in a row. No, you missed a bunch in a row.
Watch, I'll catch one right now. Watch, I'll catch this fish right now. I'll catch a fish right now. I catch them big old crocs. Look at that. It's probably like a.
That guy's tiny.
It's probably like a 8-incher. Absolute slabs out here today, boys. Really no. Watch us a Mindak. Nice little 13-incher going back. Maybe not. He's coming back. Come on, dude. See you later. Yippee! What? What do you want? What do you want?
Just wasting your editing time.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys so much for watching Slammin' Slabs Outdoors. We are just now getting off the lake. Got the core in front of us, and we're heading home. So, yeah, I'll pick you guys up on the next episode. So, we'll see you later.